Hello everyone, I am Bailin Panda and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are in a Roblox pizza place. We're on the place, of course, and we are gonna go from port to reach without using Robux. And I don't have any anyway. So yeah, I will leave the game link down on the description so that you can check the game for yourself and maybe have fun with friends. Yeah, okay, so right now we are stocking dog, and of course we're gonna be getting our first employees, and me, myself, and I. So this might take a few minutes. Yeah, okay, let's go and add toppings, another add toppings, and then bake a pizza. Okay, so one more, let's add the sauce. Let's add the toppings and bake the pizza. And now we made $35. Okay, so this is a cheese pizza and we're gonna give it to this green guy. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Let's hire a new worker. There you go. And let's restock again. So here's a question for you guys. Do you like cheese pizza? Or is it too plain for you? Or you just don't like cheese? Or it really depends, to be honest. Oh, so there's a 40 minutes free delivery driver. Let's add this for now on the favorite. So if I play this game offline, I can just find it easily or on my continue page. Yeah. There's a speed up of the video. I guess I know you guys don't want to see like real life speed and that it will take too long, so I'm gonna speed things up a bit and skip on sometimes. I'll play music for you. We also have upgrades menu here, huh? And yeah, let's keep baking our pizza. Bake up. Okay, so here is our third. We've been playing for 40 minutes already. As you can see, I skipped the time because just like I said, you guys wouldn't want to wait for a very, very long time. So we are earning cash from our delivery. Was it worth it? That really depends, but it kind of helps a bit. So, yeah, we have meat pizza and chicken pizza. And of course, I am baking the chicken pizza by myself. It's time to deliver. Here is the meat pizza, and the limit of every pizza is 20 pieces. Okay, who wants cheese pizza? I'm gonna give it to you. Oh, I got it too. Thank you. Okay, and let's go back to making pizzas. We had just hired a new worker. Oh, and I can hire another one already. That's nice. This also a hard silver. Okay, yeah. So basically, silver is also like the same as the delivery guy. They make money without you doing or like taking any pizzas to deliver it yourself outside. Yeah. And right now it's time to take our fourth conveyor. And we have our tomato pizza. And yes, I've skipped the time again. And I don't know how long I've been playing for. Yeah. I'm gonna make a new pizza by myself. Of course. At the end of the video, I will ask you guys a very gosh, I lost my words. I'll ask you guys a question. Someone just came in. That's okay. They were touring my places. I didn't know you could tour people's pizza place. Yeah. I'm scared. Okay, so I've been playing for 2 hours straight or part-time on days, and that is all. Goodbye.